Hi, I'm Sandra. I've been in the hair and beauty industry for over 40 years. Let's talk about lashes, brows, and eyelash care. A good daily care routine is crucial to keeping your natural lashes clean and healthy and extending the life of your lash extensions. Most people wash their hair daily or a few times a week to keep their hair and scalp healthy. Well, your eyelashes need the same attention daily. Überlâsh Foaming Lash Shampoo is a new lash hygiene product from Uber Cosmetics. The überlâsh Foaming Lash Shampoo has been developed to remove dirt, grease, pollution and oils from your natural lashes and also keep your eyelash extensions clean and healthy. If you have lash extensions, it's essential that you keep your lashes clean and healthy to extend the life of them. They cost a lot of money. Uberlash Foaming Lash Shampoo is a salon-quality formulation, removes makeup, dirt, pollution and build-up of oil from lashes and eyelash extensions. A non-irritating formula, paraben-free, sulfate-free, colour-free and fragrance-free, vegan, not been tested on animals and is Australian-owned. We use the Uberlash Foaming Lash Shampoo with the Uberlash Cleansing Brush. This stylish and super soft cleansing brush has been designed to gently clean the lashes of any buildup of makeup, dirt, oils or pollutions. Each Uberlash brush comes with its own handy storage container to keep it clean between uses. To use the Uberlash Foaming Shampoo, simply shake bottle well to activate the foam. Pump a small amount of foam on a cleansing brush. Close your eyes before applying the foaming cleanser. Using the brush to dab shampoo onto the lashes along the lash line. Work the brush up and down along the lashes in gentle movements to remove all dirt, oils and makeup buildup. Gently wash away the shampoo from around the eyes and lashes. Pat or fan dry lashes and clean your brush thoroughly after use. A single Uberlash Gentle Lash Shampoo will last between 2 to 3 months when used as directed. There's also a 90-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy with the results, just return the product to Uber Cosmetics and you'll receive a full refund on the purchase price. Buy the Uberlash Foaming Lash Shampoo 50ml and brush pack for just $25. The pack contains one Uberlash Foaming Eyelash Shampoo, one Uberlash Cleansing Brush, and the Uberlash Silicone Detangling Lash Brush. Uberlash Gentle Eyelash Shampoo now available to the public at ubercosmetics.com.au.